Good morning, everybody. It's Christopher, the chief forecaster at First Watch Weather. Today's video is an update on the weather that we're going to be experiencing for Thanksgiving. So, what we got right now is we got the jet stream is dipping down south, the polar jet stream, bringing really cold air, pulling that into the mid-Atlantic and northeastern states, as well as parts of the Midwest. We've got high pressure dominating over the Great Lakes, and that's going to be moving southeast over the next couple of days, and that's going to really pull in the cold temperatures, and it's going to be even colder tomorrow morning than what it is today, so bundle up if you're out there. We're still at 32 degrees in the district right now. We have been falling over the past 8 hours. Temperatures, again, 32 degrees. It feels like 23. We've got a moderate wind at 12 miles per hour sustained from the north-northwest and mostly cloudy skies, and it is frigid out there. Feels like temperatures right now are 19 degrees in Winchester, 20 in Leesburg, 23 in the district, 22 in Annapolis, 16 in Easton, 29 in Tappahannock, and 33 degrees in Charlottesville, so a little bit warmer over there. Actual temperatures, though, we are at 28 in Winchester, 30 in Front Royal, 33 in Culpeper, 37 in Charlottesville, 36 in Tappahannock, and 27 over in Easton. And now, widen the view out a little bit. We're still at 40 degrees in Charleston, West Virginia. We're at 22 in Oakland, Maryland, 25 in Pittsburgh, 21 degrees in Buffalo, 17 in Binghamton, New York, 25 for the Thanksgiving Macy's Day Parade and in New York City, 16 in Boston, and 11 degrees in Burlington, Vermont, and minus 20 degrees up in Mount Washington, but that's always a cold spot. Now, our November 22nd almanac, our average high should be 55 and our average low should be 39, and we are nowhere near that today. We were a little bit closer to that yesterday. Actually, we got to 55 degrees yesterday, but our lows were in the low 30s. Our record high for today was also the warmest Thanksgiving, and that was back in 2007. We were at almost 80 degrees, 77, and 1880 was the coldest morning for a Thanksgiving in the district. It was just happened to be on November 22nd for both days, and it was at 12 degrees. So it was very frigid that day as well. I think it only got into the 30s. And our rainfall, our average is about a tenth of an inch, but of course we're mostly sunny skies today because of the high pressure dominating over the Great Lakes. Our record rainfall for the date was back in 1985. We got 1.23 inches, and our record snowfall for the date was back in 1989. We had 1.6 inches. Now for your Thanksgiving planner, we're gonna stay on the frigid side today, I should say. We're only gonna get into the low 30s today. We might not even crack freezing in the district, and other places north and west of town will stay in the 20s. And we're going to start falling right around 3 o'clock p.m. So our high temperature for today actually took place around midnight. We were in the low 40s for D.C., but afternoon highs should be not much warmer than 31 degrees. We should actually hit our high right around, or our secondary high, I should say, right around 1 o'clock 1 o'clock this afternoon. Temperatures will start falling by 9 o'clock p.m. Temperatures will start staying around 23 degrees in town, and they will be very cold. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be at 24 in D.C. We'll be at 19 in Winchester, Front Royal, and Luray, and everybody is going to be in the low 20s across the entire area. And they will stay in the 20s and 30s for most of the area all day tomorrow. Now, for your 10-day forecast, it's going to be 38 degrees tomorrow for your Black Friday shopping. It's going to be a very, very, very cold start at 24 degrees. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we're back in the 50s, near our average, but we are going to have chances of rain, heavy rain Saturday. Mostly sunny skies went Sunday. Monday, we have a chance for some AM rain, but we're on the chilly side throughout the next 10 days with some chance of some showers on your next Friday. And December 1st, Saturday, looks like it's going to be a pleasantly chilly day at 47 degrees, near average.